Hi guys, happy Monday. Hope you guys are doing great. Yesterday was amazing. I got these CVS haul for you for this week. I got all of these for free, and some of the deals were like shocking, like L'Oreal facial care deal. I was not sure how come they have this, you can say glitch or something going on. I got free Garnier face mask and various other deals on that. Let's go to deals one by one. So this is our first deal on L'Oreal. Spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. So L'Oreal Age Perfect is excluded from this deal for this week, but there is a glitch that is going on eye renewal cream of half ounce. So I purchased this for $26.49 at my store and L'Oreal Pure Scrub for $6.99. I had two CRTs of $6 each and two CRTs of $5 off $15 L'Oreal facial care CRT. I had a L'Oreal facial coupons from coupons.com of $2 that was expired on Sunday, but fortunately I used it and it worked. I was just giving it a shot and it worked. So I rolled $7.48 and got back $10 extra bucks, making it $2.52 money maker. Plus, I will get back $3 beauty buck. So if you have those CRTs, you can do this deal on the L'Oreal Perfect Eye Renewal. That is half ounce. So be careful. There is one more that is of 1 ounce. So this deal is on half ounce and pure sugar scrub. Just to make it to 30, you can use cleanser as well, or you can go for wipes as well. That is also part of this deal. Okay, let's go to next. So there is no as such deal on a medicine dropper, but I got a $2 CRT. So I used on this one, bought the one for $3.19 at my store, rolled off $2 CRT, and final price was $1.19. There is no excellent definition on this, but this is the deal. If you have that CRT, don't forget to use it. You can get free dropper. You can donate it. You can gift it. Even like somebody in your family can use it. So that's why I bought it. Let's go to next. So Vaseline is 25% off this week. And I bought two because I had a CRT of 2.5 of $6. So I bought two for $4.99. The price reduced was $3.75. I used two coupons from Unilever insert of this month, and I used $2.5 for lotion CRT, Vaseline lotion CRT. Final cost was $1.50 for each of them. You will get back beauty buck for on this as well, so making it only 12 cents for each of them. I will definitely suggest you do this deal because this will reduce we don't get the Vaseline deals so cheap easily, so I will definitely suggest you do this deal. Let's go to next. So I got $2 Vaseline CRT on my other card. So I used that one as well. Same Unilever coupon and then $2 lotion CRT, making it free of cost. So it did not give me any overage. It just adjusted the price and making it free. So if you have, if your CVS is giving overage, then definitely do that and it will definitely help you in reducing cost. But at my CVS, it was just exactly $3.75, nothing else. They did not even give a single penny on that one extra. Okay, let's go to next. So next is Garnier. So Garnier, there is no deal this week, but I did this because of the CRTs. So on Thursday, I got $3 off any Garnier skincare purchase. I got $2 of Garnier moisturizer cleansing CRT and two of them. Both I came this week, so I combined all of them. I bought this wipes. They were $7.59 at my store, and I used all the three CRTs, reducing it to 59 cents. I think that's a decent price. Eventually these counts toward beauty as well, so that I will get back some 75 cents or something towards it, so making them free of cost. So if you have those CRTs, you can go for them. These CRTs are attaching on micellar water as well, but micellar water is $10.99 at my store, making it out of $3 something. So if you want that, you can use them on that one as well. Let's go to next. So next is on Tresemme. Tresemme this week is buy 3 get $5 extra bucks. But I purchased 5 of the Tresemmes because of the CRT, $4 of $18 shampoo CRT. So they were at $5.49 at my store. So Three of them were $5.49 and two of them for $2.75. I used two coupons of Tresemme, $5 of $2 from this month's Unilever insert. I used I had $2 Tresemme send to card coupon that you can see in the photo next to it, and there I had $2 Tresemme CRT as well. I had $4 of $18 shampoo CRT. So I used all of those, reducing my total to $3.96. Get back $5 extra bucks, making it $1 money maker. I will get $2 back for beauty bucks. There is Shopkick that is giving 1100 points for buying both for Tresemme, and Ibotta is giving $1 with a limit of 3. So I used that on that one. Fetch Reward is also giving some points, but it's not like good money maker, but there is some. So eventually after calculating everything, it is $10 money maker if you have the $4 of $18 CRT. I will show you next if you don't have that $4 of $18 CRT, how much money maker that can be. So this scenario is for if you don't have $4 of $18 CRT, you can buy 3 of them. 2 will be $5.49 and 1 will be $2.75. You can use $5 of $2 Tresemme coupon from Unilever insert. You can use $2 Tresemme send to card coupon and $2 Tresemme CRT. That will reduce your total to $4.73. You'll get back $5 extra bucks. And Shopkick will give you 1100 points. That will be around $4. Ibotta is giving $3. Fetch will give some points, making it $7 money maker, around $8 actually. But you can definitely do this way if you don't have $4 of $18 CRT. Let's go to next. So next deal is on toilet paper. Bebo toilet paper this week again. It is I think till 21. That is buy 2 get $3 extra bucks and buy 1 get 1 free. So I did this deal. I bought 4 of them. So because I had a CRT of buy 2 get 1 free. So eventually they were reduced to total of $10.99 and I get back $6 extra bucks, making it $4.99 for all 4 of them. I think this is a decent deal. You can do it once. I think that can go for like 6 months or something. It depends on your usage. So be careful, but this is a cheap toilet paper. Let's go to next. So this is Dove. Dove this week is spend 15 get $5 extra bucks. So in this deal, Dove, Suave, Degree, Secret, and I think Keras is also included in this. And this is buy 1 get 1 50% off. So I bought one Dove Men Care $8.99, Dove Aspirant, that is also Men Plus Care because of the coupon that I have. That was $6.29 at my store, and 2 Suave body wash just to make as a filler to complete $15. So that is $2.59 and $1.30. So I had 2 CRTs of $3 on Dove, and I had $1 of $5 body wash CRT. I used a BOGO coupon from Unilever this month insert and 2 coupons of $1 from Suave, that is also from the Unilever insert. And after that reduces my cost to $3.88 and I got back $5 extra buck, making it $1.22. So that BOGO coupon was not working, but when they looked at it, they read it that I am using only 1 coupon. So that's why they gave some extra bucks in a instead of using that coupon, they gave me some $5 extra bucks because that coupon was not working. That's why they gave me $5 extra bucks. So you can say that they replaced it with the highest value of that. I think that is because of the CRTs, but usually at CVS is funny because sometimes they use the manufacturer coupon first and then they use CRTs. But on this one, I think they were using CRTs first and then they were pushing the Unilever, that BOGO coupon. So it's really very different to understand what CVS is going to do next. So I got this Dove CRTs on both of my card. Let me go through both of them so that can help us. So on other card, I had $2.50 of Dove CRT. So I used that one. There I paid 38 cents, the same deal. So let me go through one by one on that. So I bought one Dove Men Plus Care body wash, that was $8.99. Then I bought Dove Aspirant, that is $6.29 at my store. Then 2 Suave body wash of $2.59 and $1.30. I used 2.5 of Dove CRT. I used Pogo Unilever coupon. I used 2 of Suave Unilever, coupon. And there I had a $2 of 2 Suave body wash CRT. That reduces my total to. So Suave did not give me any overage, making it $6.49, and I got back $5 extra bucks, making it $1.49 for all 4 of them. We don't get Dove and Sprint and Dove body wash so cheap, so I will definitely suggest, if you have $2 of 2 Suave CRT, and if you have any Dove CRT, any body wash CRT, don't forget to combine them. That will reduce your cost on the Dove as well. So this is Hallmark and clearance deal. I had $4 of 4 Hallmark CRT, 2 of them, and I bought 2 envelopes and 2 decorations. Decorations were $129 and envelopes were $299, making it slightly above than that. And there was clearance on these Yankee candles. I think they can be good gift packs. They were $199, but even their MRP at the store was $799, but due to clearance they were on $199. And there's one more candle on the top, that is maple candle, and that was 75 cents. So I combined all of them and used my extra bucks, whatever overage and moneymaker deal I have done on above. So I used that on these, and they were around like $4 out of pocket, including Pringles and everything. $4 for around $4 I paid for the candles, Yankee candles, and I paid $2.50 for everything rest. So around $6.50. So I used my moneymaker there. That's why I always suggest do your moneymaker deal. That will always help you in buying some stuff that are on clearance or some stuff that you really need. And if you buy some stuff that you don't need, you can always donate them. You can always give them to people who need them. So always be supportive of the society. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your time. And stay tuned. I will come back next week, and I'm planning to share weekly ad preview for you guys next. Thank you.